that involve in a redox reaction can be differentiated into two kinds, so that is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent is a reactant that oxidizes other reactant, a reactant that can gain electron, a reactant that in a reaction undergoes reduction, a reactant that in reaction undergoes decreasing in oxidation number. Halogens are the F2Cl2 Br2 bromine, I is the iodine, oxygen. There are reactions chlorine plus 2 electron. Chlorine decrease the 0 to minus 1, there are reduction. Cl2 is oxidizing agent because in the reaction Cl2 undergoes the reductions or decreasing in the oxidizing number from 0 to minus 1. Reducing agent, there are reducing agent is a substance reactant that reduce the other substances reactants. A substance reactant that can lose the electron, a substance reactant that in a reactions undergo oxidation, a substance reactant that undergo increasing in oxidation number, hydrogen, iron, halides and metals. Oxidation is H is converted into two positive ions, that is the plus 1 multiplied 2 is equal to the 2 electron. Number of hydrogen increases from 0 to 1. H2 is reducing agent because in this reactions H2 undergoes oxidation or increasing in oxidation number from 0 to 1. Reagents used in the redox titration. Oxidizing reagents are the potassium permanganate and cerric sulfate, CeSO4 2NH4SO4 4S2, serimetry potassium dichromate, there are K2Cr2O7 dichrometry, iodine I2, iodometry and iodometry. Potassium iodide is used for the iodometry and potassium bromide is used for the brometry. Some common oxidizing agents are the oxidized coal in electric power, gas in automobiles, wood in the campfires, food we eat, antiseptics, hydrogen peroxides, benzoyl peroxide, disinfectants, chloride. Next is reagent used in the redox titration. Reducing agent are the ammonium ion, sulfate, hydroxide, hydrate, more salts, iron 2 ethylene diamine sulfate, sodium thiosulfate, pentahydrate, arsenic trioxides, arsenic oxide, sodium oxalates and oxalic acid dihydrate. Some common reducing agent metal antioxidants. Ascorbic acid is used to prevent the browning of the fruits by inhibiting air oxidation. Any antioxidants are believed to retard various oxidation reactions that are potentially damaging to vital component of living cells. Redox reactions are the important points: purifying metals, they are producing the gases, electroplating metals, electrical productions, batteries, fuel cells, protecting the metal from corrosions, balancing the complex chemical equations, sensors and machines like pH meter. An oxidation number is the positive or negative number assigned to an atom to indicate its degree of oxidation or reductions. As generated to the bonded atoms, oxidations is the charge that is would have if the electron in the bond were assigned to the atom of that more electronegative element. There is a rule: the oxidation number of any uncombined element 0. The oxidation number of sodium is 0. The oxidation number of a monatomic ion equal the charge of the ion. The oxidation number of chlorine is -1. The more electronegative element in the binary compound is assigned the number equal to the charge it would have it if it were an ion. The oxidation number O in NO is -2. The oxidation number of fluorine. The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms in a compound is 0. CuO, oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of copper must be calculated. X plus -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +2. Na2SO4. Sodium is +1 because it is a group 1 metal. O is -2. The oxidation number of sulfur must be calculated. 2 plus X plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2 plus X plus -8 is equal to 0 and X is equal to +6. Thank you. In today's class I discussed about the oxidizing and the reducing agent. Thank you.